Okay, we are fixing to do the snickerdoodles. Here is the recipe. Now, as y'all see how old this recipe is, I did this recipe way back when the boys were little. And oh my gosh, I have not made this recipe since they were little. So, y'all want to see, look how old this is. I don't even know about my writing. Look how bad my writing was way back then. But anyway, y'all jot this down. Well, I sure can't jot all this down. My goodness, that's a lot of writing down here. But anyway, y'all just go ahead and pause this and go to writing. Y'all can see all this. If not, get all the ingredients and make these snickerdoodles with us. But Marissa is going to be doing it, because I'm not going to do it. I'm going to let her do it. But we're going to film as we go here. So I hope y'all enjoy. So we're going to, I say we, Marissa's going to be the one doing this. You know, Life with Mars. She is going to be doing the sifting. She's going to sift this flour first. So I'm going to put the camera on her and she's going to start doing all of this.
Let's go.
All right. It's going to be flour. We're going to do the dry ingredients first.
Let me get my spatula.
All right.
Let's start with that first.
Very good. See there, you know what you're doing.
Not my first rodeo.
No, you're doing great.
Thanks, Nana. It looks really nice. Sifting does make a big difference.
Yeah.
You think, oh, maybe I can skip that step. Don't skip it.
Mm-mm.
And I did add a little bit extra flour on purpose because I knew I would drop a little along the way. Which, clean as you go. So it also says to go ahead and put your cream of tartar and your granulated sugar.
No, not the sugar yet.
Or salt.
We're going to do all the dry ingredients. Let me read this to you. Cream of tart and the baking soda.
Okay, so we got cream of tartar right here.
Cream of tart is 2 teaspoons. And baking soda is 1 teaspoon.
Oh, that one went real easy.
Okay.
And then after that,
oh, we got salt here too. Why is this? You know, this recipe is just, I have not wrote this down very good.
usually is it a ½ teaspoon of salt?
Yes, I have. Like I said, I was so young when I had this recipe. I was like 17 years old.
That's okay.
Get all this. But anyway, y'all hear this? We need a ½ teaspoon of salt also, which is not all added on this. I'm going to have to write this recipe out for this.
Well, we will have it in the description.
Yes, we will. I apologize, but y'all see how old this recipe is wrote out. But we're going to need a ½ teaspoon of salt to go in it.
I'm going to grind some salt. I can't find my pre-grinded salt.
Or you know what? Not a half, do a 1/4.
1/4? Okay, well that makes it easier for me.
Yeah, a 1/4. I just thought about that with salt. It needs to be a 1/4. Y'all having fun with this video, ain't y'all? My my followers.
Yep. You know,
as my son says, we're keeping it real.
Yep, we are keeping it real. That is one thing we are doing. we go. Okay, so the
Yeah.
salt is in.
Okay, and
Now-
we'll set that aside.
Do I need to mix it
Yeah,
in?
go ahead and mix
And get a
it.
fork.
Yeah.
Get you a fork. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Oh, that looks so nice. All right, and then set it aside.
Set that aside. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cream the shortening, which is a half a cup.
So now we are going to mix the shortening. Let me take this off while I get this together. Got your handy dandy spatula.
One of these chairs.
Yep, get Nana her seat so her back.
Oh, I want y'all to see her apron that I made her. Isn't that nice?
Yes.
Nana made that apron years ago.
Thankfully, it still fits me.
Yeah.
Okay, so
See if
now
I still got that right, baby.
sure do.
Okay. Let's see. We got the shortening. Then we're going to gradually beat in the sugar and the eggs.
Yes. So we are going to break the egg before we put it in the bowl, because you never know if you have a bad egg or if there's blood or if there's a piece of shell, which sometimes the shell gets in there. So you want to be able to get it out before you put it in and mess up what you're mixing. So always crack your egg one at a time and individually. A cup and a half?
Yes, we have a cup and a half of sugar.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and get this going. And we're gonna gradually add in the sugar. Now we're gonna go ahead and add one egg. Like that, and while that's mixing, you already know we're gonna get the other egg. And I have it mixing on low. You never want to overmix. Okay. That is looking really nice. Our last egg is going in. Look at that.
And then we will do in the dry ingredients.
With a spatula.
And just let it go in the
What we're gonna do is we're gonna gradually add our dry ingredients now. And before I continue mixing, I'm gonna lift it so I can add a little bit in here, because you don't have much space.
You know, you can also get the cup
Yeah,
and add a little bit at a time.
that's a good idea. So we'll get that going, and then we are gonna take Nana's advice, and we're gonna grab a measuring cup, and what you can do is go over here, grab a little bit, add a little bit. Grab a little bit, add a little bit. Nana has all the tips.
Gotta have chips.
Yes.
That's why I call it learning Nana.
That's right. I swear, I learn something new every time I bake. Oh yeah, we got the dough starting to form.
Where did you learn your baking from?
Man, I had a first hand lesson of Learn with Nana before Learn with Nana was a thing. Well, prior to YouTube. Learn with Nana's always been a thing, really.
Yeah.
Alright, and she's a working. The mixer's doing her thing. Come on, Bessie. You can do it. Gotta talk her through it.
And where was when you cooked?
So, we'll do, while that's mixing. So Nana used to do a summer camp with us girls. And I got to go with my cousin Destiny, and then my sisters would go together. We would go in twos. And we had our room, and our room used to be in the kitchen for a little bit. And then it moved to Papa's room, his computer room, and we had our own space. But we would go for about 2 weeks, I'd say, maybe even more. And we would do sewing camp, we would do baking, we would do cooking, we would go out with Papa and shoot some stuff. I got a rabbit before.
And swimming.
Swimming, yeah, swim lessons. I remember the swimmer's ear.
Yeah.
But we did just so many adventures. Well, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen while Nana relaxes. And then after that, we'll take you through the next steps. But for right now, we'll put this, you can throw a towel over it or throw it in as is in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 30 minutes to an hour.
Yes.
You need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 mixy. Oh, these are good. Yummy, yummy. I might have to speed this up a bit. Some. All right, y'all, our cookies are all ready. We are about to pop them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees. They're left over, and Nana had the great idea to put it in a container. She puts it in an old spice container so you can just sprinkle it on. I'm gonna get one of those, but for right now I just have it in this container. And I'm labeling it so that if I do cinnamon sugar toast, I have my cinnamon sugar mixture right here and nothing goes to waste. Tips with Nana. All right, it's been about a minute. Let's try again. Oh my, these look divine.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. And the recipe did say they fluff up and then they cool down.
pan's hot. But they look amazing.
All right, guys, our cookies are done, and we're gonna do a little taste test.
Look how pretty it is.
It smells really
Would y'all like a bite?
You can have a bite.
You want a bite? We'll let y'all have a bite. We're gonna have a bite first.
We'll share after.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I know that's hot.
It is hot, but I only want a small bite. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. I think we have done it. Mmm.
The inside's so good.
That is good. My goodness, I ain't had these in years. I used to make these for the boys when they were little boys. I'm not a restaurant. I'm not gonna eat anymore. Now I just don't eat sweets that much, but oh my goodness, this is good.
These?
Would you like another bite?
These are a 10 out of 10. I love them. You should have shown me this recipe. I'm gonna be making it too much.
I asked her before I left, I said, baby, what recipes you want me to bring? And I knew she was making these snickerdoodles all the time. I said, I have an old snickerdoodle recipe. You want me to bring it? Oh yes, Nana, please bring yours. I didn't know she was struggling.
This recipe is so much better than the one I was using, I will say.
So anyway, y'all try it. We love y'all. And we've got more coming. So stay tuned for more.
Yes.
We are going to end this video, but we've got more videos coming, but we're going to go ahead and end this one because I would like to edit this one while I'm here with my granddaughter, Life with Mars, so that I can edit it and everything and get it on out there. But we will have more coming. But as you know, I love y'all. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and share. And y'all know I love you. God bless you.